Today I will be discussing cultivation theory. Cultivation theory looks at how does TV influence our perception of the world. Let's say this one jar represents the entire world view of heavy viewers, and the heavy viewers can have different backgrounds, different values, and different beliefs. However, they share one type of similarity, and that is the type of content that they watch. Let's say the type of content that these viewers are watching are related to crime, such as one could be news headlines of a local shooting, one could be one of CSI drama, and one could be of criminal documentaries. By only watching one type of content, such as CSI dramas, heavy viewers don't change much of their beliefs and attitudes about how they see crime. However, by watching the same type of images and portrayals that they see long term, these heavy viewers tend to develop a similar perspective of the world and crime. This term is known as mainstreaming. These two jars show light viewers and heavy viewers, both of which they are watching the same TV content. Not all viewers who see the same TV message think differently about how they perceive their own lives. Now let's say someone who is living in an area of crime starts watching crime dramas over an extended period of time. They start to believe that their lives reflect the TV world. This term is otherwise known as resonance. This is depicted from the mirror as a representation of the TV, that the TV messages reflect off of the heavy viewer's life. When that message is reflected into the heavy viewer's perspective, then the heavy viewers might begin to think that when real violence and the violence portrayed in media line up together, that influences and intensifies, in which they start to fear the world and make it even more extreme than it already is, and they overestimate it. And by shaking this jar, it shows that the people overestimate 10 times more than a light viewer. By overestimating the TV portrayals of violence, the viewers start to feel that the world is much more scarier than it needs to be, and in actuality, it really isn't. Due to the mean world syndrome, the heavy viewers end up believing that the world is too scary, that they shut themselves out completely, and they behave in a way that they ensure that they are safe.